Microsoft Launcher beta testers are getting their hands on a fresh set of new features with the Android app's latest update, taking up to version 4.13. Today's update includes a couple of major highlights and some smaller tweaks, including a cleaner feed and Cortana dictation for incoming texts. The most visually striking tweaks are to the launcher feed, which will no longer show card headers for widgets. This has the effect of delivering a sleeker look with less separation between different widgets. Moving widgets to the feed can also now be done by dragging and dropping them into place. Cortana integration in Microsoft Launcher is also getting a little smarter, with the ability to read incoming texts aloud for you if you're busy doing something else. Parents can also use Cortana with the launcher's family tracking features, with the ability to ask for their kids' locations via voice. Finally, Cortana also now supports English for Indian users.